What's going on YouTube? Martin, Belvoir Auto Spa. I'm just doing a quick video here, I haven't uploaded in a while, of the Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light with XOV4 on my car. It's been about 6 months since I've applied it. Grab a light here. And I mean, this stuff, it's holding up really good. It's on my wheels too. Well, just Crystal Serum Lights on the wheels, no XO. I recently washed it. I did take a video of the water behavior that you're going to see after this part. Yeah, just so you can see how the water is. And that was before I washed the car, the water behavior video that's coming up. This is how it is after I washed it. I washed it 2 days ago. I mean, it hasn't moved from the garage because it's been raining. But you can see those are a little bit dirty because I did drive it somewhere. But you can see just how glossy it still is, how reflective everything is. Paint's still in pretty good condition. A few minor swirls here and there, but that's going to happen to a daily driven car, especially one that your family, children walk around and touch and get in and out of. But I mean, I'm pretty satisfied. I mean, the gloss is still absolutely insane. So I've got high hopes for this. All I've been maintaining it with prior to washing it with CarPro Reset, or I washed it with CarPro Echo, either as a rinseless or waterless wash. And I never applied any toppers. I think I used Elixir a few times, just as a quick detailer, make it nice and shiny. This last wash I did apply a layer of C2V3 liquid crystal. That's the first time I've actually put an actual topper on. I do have a lot of CarPro products, as you can see, and I have a lot for Gtechniq, but their coatings are amazing. CarPro's coatings are great as well. Gtechniq, I feel like, is just one step above Crystal Serum Light, or excuse me, Gtechniq is just one step above C-Quartz, but they're still both phenomenal coatings, so whichever one you decide to go with, you can go ahead and get. It did starting to get a little weak on the back, and by a little weak I mean the water sheets off fastly instead of instantly beading. It's not a big deal, but I mean, just look at it. It looks amazing. I sound like I'm out of breath. I just ran down the stairs to to get in here. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. You know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I try to do videos every couple weeks. And yeah, I mean, we'll see what the future brings. And after this, you'll see the water behavior. Again, it's before I wash the car. And it looks amazing. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like, leave a comment below.